Amazing returns, guys. You just made 485% profit. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. I put in my Twitter account, Bitcoin maximum is gonna hit right now is $30,000 because we still under the big resistance, okay? I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. Now, let's talk about the real money right here. Original protocol. When we just made 75% profit, I made $7,000 and 500. Take a look how this thing works right here on Monday, September 25th. Actually, let me show right here on this chart. Original protocol. Go down. You see the volume spark right here. On September 25th, the volume of this coin was 8.5 million. 6 hours later, the volume was $19 million. This is called volume spike, guys. So I shared this trade in the private list on September 27. We bought this coin for 0.08 and we put a sell order up here at 0.16. Our order just get filled. We made 75% profit. Next trade recap is gonna be Sick Tiger, guys. 160% profit. Amazing returns. I put it right here. Volume spark right here on September 15. Volume spark right here on September 20. I was just waiting for the buyer power. Share this trade in the private list on September 27. We bought this coin for 0.00018 and put a sell order up here at 0.0005. Guys, 160% profit. I always say that we don't care for the price, we don't care for the coin. All we care is the volume, guys. Is the volume. Volume is the secret sauce for the uptrend. Okay, trades I share in the private list this week was Original Protocol, NYZO, Sick Tiger, Kintsugi, Essentia. Guys, take a look at this profit right here: 108%, 126%, 150%. This went down. 60% profit, 233% profit. Guys, $48,000 made in this week. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment per week, guys. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. You're welcome to join us. Thanks for time. Have a blessed day.